Hi there, I'm Simon. In today's video, we are going to show you how to test and replace the cold water inlet valve on your LG washer. If you have been noticing problems like your washer overfills, or not filling with cold water, taking longer to fill, or experiencing leaks, it might be time to check or replace this part. Before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more DIY appliance repair tips. Let's dive right in and get your washer running smoothly again. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering everything we need for today's repair job. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a small towel, a pair of adjustable pliers, and a Flatblade screwdriver. And remember, safety comes first. Unplug the washer, turn the water supply off before starting any repairs. Your washer is equipped with two separate inlet valves for cold and hot water. They are mounted through the rear panel side by side. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove two bottom screws from the rear plastic brackets. Slide the top panel back for less than an inch and take it off. The cold water inlet valve is on the left, looking from the back. Slowly open the cold water faucet. Did water start getting inside the washer? If the answer is yes, your cold water valve is doomed. Turn off the cold water faucet to confirm the verdict and see if trickling stops. If yes, you definitely need a new cold water inlet valve. Get a towel ready and use the pliers to unscrew the cold water inlet hose. Use a flatblade screwdriver to remove the plugs from the cold water valve. You may snap a picture of order just in case. Place the towel under and using the pliers, slide the clamps and remove the three hoses from the valve. You may need to use a flatblade screwdriver to assist yourself. The last thing is to remove the couple of Phillips screws from the rear. Now you can remove the cold water inlet valve. This is the old cold water inlet valve next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the new valve in the cutout. Align the holes and secure it with two Phillips screws. Slide the hoses on and use the pliers to install the clamps back. Connect the plugs. Install the water inlet hose manually for a few threads. Then use pliers to tighten it. Take it easy doing that. Don't over-tight. Open the faucet, plug the washer in, and run it to test. If there are no leaks, install the top panel, slide it forward to lock, and secure it with two Phillips screws. Great job tackling your LG washer repair. We hope everything is up and running smoothly now. We would love to hear how your repair went. Feel free to share your experience in the comments below. If you discover you need a new cold water inlet valve, don't worry. Just head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number to get one. Most orders arrive within a couple of days, so you'll be back to hassle-free laundry in no time. Thanks for letting us to be a part of your repair journey, and we look forward to helping you with your next DIY project.